Welcome back. This time it's about secure development services. It is Matthias Kämpfer, Security Product Manager at SAP. Where we are at our agenda, we are right here, and I want to give you again an overview about our development services. For those of you who didn't watch my previous videos, that is the big picture with all the components. I don't want to go over it again. Let us focus on our topic. Secure development services helps developers to design secure applications on SAP Cloud Platform. It is about the reuse of security services to increase developer productivity and to develop enterprise-ready cloud applications. So there are several services under the SAP Cloud Platform umbrella. It is about authorizations. You know it perhaps under the technical name XSUAA. It's about customer domain. This is not a purely security topic. It's about your customer domain for accessing your application in the web browser, but it comes also with a certificate, and that's why I just wanted to mention it here. Then there is a credential store to securely store user and passwords. It's about the connectivity and destination services, which works in hand with SAP Cloud Connector. And then there is also audit log. In the end, of course, we also provide modeling tools, that is the cloud application programming model. I will create an extra video on that because I don't want to get this video too long, so just for your information. Many of these services you can see here are part of the SAP Cloud Platform Foundation. I'm not a salesperson, but currently, to my knowledge, customer domain and credential store has an extra price tag. But if you need here exact information, please visit our homepage sap.com or contact our sales department at SAP. What's also important to know, secure development is not about how to code securely, where we provide guidance and best practices how to code in a secure manner. But secure development service isn't about how to secure a good code. Secure development services. The picture again, we have here the business user, and the business user, he wants to access in the end your customer application. You have here your UI and perhaps some microservices with the business logic. In front of it, SAP Cloud Identity Services with authentication and provisioning. Then, of course, at the bottom there is an S/4HANA on-premise system, just as an example. And you can integrate also your corporate identity provider with SAP Cloud Identity Services. We provide an extra video on the technical possibilities of that. So let's concentrate on this use case and what happens. So we learned in the previous video that SAP Cloud Identity provides the business user a XAML token, so then he can access your customer application. So the user is coming here with his XAML token, and what's happened then is it will be sent to the authorization service. The authorization service adds then authorization information and transform the XAML token into an OAuth token. And this OAuth token is then used to access your microservices. And also if your microservices calls another microservices, this is also done via an OAuth token. Then of course you can connect also to your on-premise system. You're doing that via the connectivity services on the SAP Cloud Platform side. On the on-premise side, there is the SAP Cloud Connector, and then you can securely access your data via OData. You can also use other technologies. That's just an example of OData. Then there's the credential store. So sometimes developers need user and password information to perhaps integrate with another solution. And of course, user and password should not be in your source code. That's why we are providing the credential store. On the administration side, there is authorization and trust management. So authorization, that is about that you assign a role to a user, and this information then is be used within the authorization service. The authorization service adds then this information to the OAuth token, which is used during runtime. Custom domains, I mentioned it before, and audit log. Audit log, that you have to know the scope of the current audit log solution. Currently, SAP Cloud Platform writes automatically audit log information into the service. So things like an user was created or an instance was deleted, things like that. Currently, it is not possible that you can write your own custom audit logs into the same instance. So stay tuned on this topic. Perhaps in Q3 or Q4 in 2020, there will be an update on this use case. We are already at the end. Key takeaways. Secure Development Services provides the means to reuse security services to develop enterprise-grade applications, and it is not about how to code in a secure manner. In the next video, I will cover the topic Cloud Application Model. With that, thank you for your attention. See you soon. Bye.